Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. And in today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Marriott. So let me take you to their website, which is Marriott.com. For the ones who don't know what is Marriott, Marriott is a global hospitality company that operates and franchises a wide range of hotels and lodging facilities. Its portfolio includes various hotel brands that caters to different market segments and traveling preferences, ranging from luxury and upscale properties to more affordable options. So you can come to their website if you're looking for any reason to go for the vacation, then you could find one and just book yourself lodging and have a fun time. Well, that's something you can do. But we are not here for that unless you really want to go for the vacation. That's a different story. But we are here to get some money from Marriott. Can we earn some money from them? Of course, we can. We can join the affiliate program of Marriott International. So when we join the affiliate program, we can promote them to our traffic, followers, subscribers, users, and when these people would end up making sell on Marriott's brands, then we will be entitled to get commission. Now that's so amazing, isn't it? So how do you join or how do you learn about the affiliate program? For that, you can come to this address, which is marriott.com/, as you can see the characters. So don't worry about it. I'm going to mention the link in the video description. You can directly come to this page here to talk a bit about their affiliate program. They say there are two ways to earn: hotel stays or vacation packages. So if your users or traffic they end up buying either hotel stays or vacation packages, you'll be entitled to get commission. And then these are some program benefits you can read through. Then there is FAQ as well. This is so amazing. Like if you go to this PDF, which will take you to this PDF, you can read through it, and all the basic questions that you will have in terms of the affiliate program, you would be able to find the answers there along with the contact information as well. Then there's terms and conditions you can download, you can read it. You also have this affiliate information. You can always reach out to this if you have question for them. Then they got participating brands, so they got many brands within the umbrella, and you could promote any of them when you become part of their affiliate program. So the question is, how do you join the affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website of Partnerize. Now, why and what is Partnerize? Partnerize is one of the top digital marketing companies out there, and one of the services they provide is affiliate marketing. So through Partnerize, you can join the affiliate network of Partnerize, and when you do that, you would be able to apply to the affiliate program of brands like Marriott. So that's kind of requirement in affiliate marketing. Well, if you want to join the affiliate program of any brand, most of the times they would be part of some affiliate network or digital marketing network. So in our case, to join the affiliate program of Marriott, you must have an affiliate account with Partnerize. So how do you create an account with them? For that, you can hover over partners. You can click on affiliates, which should take you to this page. You can click on join Partnerize. That should take you to the registration process. And I understand, during registration, you may have some questions, so don't worry about it. I recently have created a video on how to create an affiliate account of Partnerize. You might want to follow the instruction from the video. You'll find the video link in the video description. Just click on the link, follow the instructions, create yourself a Partnerize account. Once you have an account with them, just click on this avatar sign because you have to log in, isn't it? After creating an account with Partnerize, so you can click on avatar sign, which should take you to this page. Enter your username, password. I'm human. Just click on login. That should take you to something called dashboard. You may call it affiliate dashboard. This is a place where you would be able to interact with many brands, not just Marriott. You could search and apply for the affiliate program of different brands that are available on Partnerize. You can become part of them. You can start promoting them on the commission. But in our case, we will only be focusing on Marriott. For that, you could click on campaigns, which should take you to this page. Over here, you can click on join campaigns on this side, which should then take you to this section where you would be able to see all the different brands, not just Marriott, the other brands as well that you could explore, you can apply to the affiliate program for. So on the left hand side, within the filter section, you can come to the search side and you can start typing Marriott. And when you do that, it's going to take some time to load up the information. So you can give it a few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, the moment I have returned Marriott, I got these two results, and I'm focusing on Marriott International because that's whom we want to apply to. So for that, you can click on Marriott International, and that should take you to the affiliate program details. You can read through it all, the program description in here. Then on the right hand side, they got a summary of it, and then this is the website, and you would see Marriott International hyperlink in here, so you can click on this to see more information about the affiliate program. So when you click on it, the first thing you will observe is the commission rate on the left hand side. That is 3%. So all the sales that you're going to bring to Marriott, you would be, when I say sales, I mean hotel booking or traveling packages, the vacation packages. So when you bring sales to them, you'll be entitled to get 3% commission on the sale amount. And if you look at the right hand side, you will find the contact email. You can also reach out to this email address or the other email address we show on the affiliate program page. Now let's say you read it all. There's terms and condition as well that you could read. So let's say once you've read it all, you can just go back, which should take you to the same screen like this. Since we're interested to apply to the affiliate program, so you can click on select all, and you can click here. It says that you agree to the terms and condition, ensure you have read it carefully, and then you click on join selected campaigns. So when you do that, you see now it's got invisible to an extent. So my application to Marriott International has been submitted. Same way, when you would click on it, your application to them would go, and you can give them around a few days to 2 weeks of time, because when you will be creating an account with Partnerize, you will be giving your information. So when Marriott International would receive your application, and they will review your online presence, and they will see whether you're a good suit for them or not. And depending on that, they will provide approval to you. So they could take anywhere between 2 days to 2 weeks of time, since they might be getting application from many affiliates out there. Now, let's say when you get the approval from them, then what? Then you would be able to find them in this section, your campaigns and commissions. Not only that, you would be able to start promoting them. To promote them, you can't just take any link from their website and put it on your online presence. No, that's not how it works. For that, you have to use tracking link, which you can create by going to tracking. So when you click on tracking, it should take you to this page. Over here, you can create your own tracking links once you get approved by the Marriott International. Now, ensure you use tracking links only because they are unique to you. Let's say you started promoting them on website, but can you promote them on social media pages? It depends on the terms and conditions. So when you will be applying to them, ensure you read the terms and conditions to confirm that there is no clause that says you can't do that. So long as they don't they're fine with it, and if you don't see any clause that kinds of reference you from doing that, you're okay to, you may promote them on social media account. You could also reach out to them and just ask, whether they're fine, if you want to have more details from them. So let's say you started promoting them and you started generating commission. How will you get the payment, or where will you see this commission getting generated? So all the commission you will see within the analytics section. And to get the payment for the commission, you will be getting it for Partnerize. So all the commission that will be getting generated will be sent by Marriott to Partnerize, and Partnerize will issue the payment to you. So for that, you can click on payments, because you have to set up payment details, isn't it? So you can click on payments, which should take you to this page. Over here, you can click on payment settings, which will take you to this page. And in here, you can click on add bank details and select track currency, paid currency, and country. And depending on that, you would be able to select either direct deposit as a payment method or PayPal. So when I say direct deposit, I mean electronic fund transfer. So you would be able to select any of these. Again, that depends on what you would select in these three fields. So you could decide your payment method in here. Along with that, you can also decide how do you want them to pay the payment to you. Do you want to request all the time? If that's the case, you can just ensure it's selected as off. But if you want to set to auto payment, then you can select this as on, and you can decide, okay, so let's say if I write here 100, that means the moment my accumulated commission on Partnerize account exceeds 100, I will get the payment from them. I can also decide, okay, I want to get the payment 4 times in a month. So that's also, I can do that. So depending on what do you desire, you can set up the information in here. So this is how you search for Marriott's affiliate program. You apply to them, you get the approval, start promoting them, start earning commission, and you get a commission depending on the payment method that you set up. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in applying to the affiliate program of Marriott. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.